Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ochirochi Dye Dye. Today we're going to do ice dye. I have two t-shirts over here, and we have our color over here. Okay, and we have our soda ash and our ice. Bienvenido a su canal. Esta es Ochirochi Dye Dye. Hoy vamos a tener dos camisetas que ya tengo aquí en esta bandeja. Y ya tengo mis colorante acá y soda ash y el hielo. Y vamos a necesitar una cuchara. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please give me a big thumbs up or give me a like. And today I already have two t-shirts over here, and I already have ready. I crumple these two t-shirts. So today we're going to start, and we're going to do with we're going to using 5 colors. Okay, gracias por ver mi video y regálame like o comparta mis videos para hacer más videos. Vamos a usar 5 colores. So we're going to start with black and navy blue, red, deep orange, and yellow. And we have already our soda ash, and we need spoon, and we have our ice. Okay, and we're going to start with soda ash. We need to put the soda ash over here, little. Okay. Okay, and then we need to try to use our ice first, and then we put the powder. Primero vamos a poner el hielo. Bueno, es mi primera vez que lo hago así, y voy a poner el hielo de primero y después voy a poner el colorante. A ver cómo nos sale. So we're going to start with black. Now we need to put some navy blue. cada vez que pongan un color, lo limpian la cuchara para que no se revuelva. Ahora vamos a continuar con el rojo. We're going to add our red color. We need to add our yellow. En total vamos a agregar 6 colores, because I'm going to add turquoise. Okay guys, so we total be 6 colors. I feel like I wanna add something over here, just like a little, not much, just to see what color or how it turns out. And now I'm going to add a little more to the ash. Just in case. Okay guys, so this design is kind of simple. So and now we're going to leave this for 20 hours, and then we need to reveal tomorrow, and it's it. Y gracias, nomás vamos a dejar aquí por 24 horas. Y mañana vamos a ver cómo nos va a quedar, y gracias por ver mis videos y compartan. Y si ustedes no les da tiempo a hacer una camiseta, pues aquí estamos nosotros para hacer sus camisetas, y solo van a nuestro sitio web y búscanos ahí por Ochirochi Tie-Dye, y ahí nos encuentran en nuestro sitio web, que es ochirochi.com. Thank you guys to watch my videos. If you guys do not have any time to make it short, we're here to help you, and you can order online and just find us on our website and just type ochirochi.com, and then you can find us there. So thank you, and we need to reveal that tomorrow. Hello guys, today we're going to reveal our t-shirt, the one we did yesterday, our ice life, the t-shirt we did yesterday, and hope it turned out good. But okay, so now I have in this container, so we have to rewash right now. Okay. Oye, ya estamos aquí listos para revelar nuestras camisetas que habíamos hecho ayer, que dejamos en hielo. Ahora ya está, ya el hielo ya se derritió. Ahora vamos a lavar para sacar todo el exceso de tinta que tiene. Okay guys, we're going to wash right now this t-shirt. We're going to wash just with water right now. And after this, I'm going to put in the washing machine, okay? You need to wash with cold water and just remove all of the leftover dye. Wash you see the water is clear, and then when the water is clear, and then just put in the wash machine with little soap, so that way so the wash machine can wash all the way. How it looks like this. This is a insta short for women. See? I hope you see. This t-shirt is the same color. This t-shirt is V-neck lady t-shirt. See, it's like fun out. Door has little red, little orange, stuff like that. See guys? Okay guys, it's it. Thank you for watching, and thumbs up, and See you next time. Bye.